Deepseek has quickly risen to prominence with its groundbreaking AI model. It has achieved remarkable results, outperforming many humans in problem solving and coding tasks. Deepseek was developed at a fraction of the cost of its competitors, spending only $5.6 million. ChatGPT is known for its conversational capabilities. It's versatile, user-friendly, and even great for coding. It handles everything from creative writing to data analysis, making it a solid all-rounder, but it can sometimes hallucinate facts. Claude excels at data analysis and handling data sets. It's good at interpreting data in real time, offering businesses actionable insights for quick responses to market dynamics. Perplexity has direct access to current web data. It's excellent for up-to-date research and fact-checking, providing detailed sources for its answers. However, it may sometimes overwhelm users with information. Each has its strengths. Deepseek impresses with its efficiency and open-source approach. ChatGPT offers a wide range of features. Claude shines in data analysis and business applications, and Perplexity stands out for its research capabilities and up-to-date information.